Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I am blending a smoothie for myself. And Real Beauty, something like that. Anyway, it's on in the comment section. She asked me to, because she was looking at Vita blenders, and this is my Vitamix blender. Let me take this off. I'm going to do this in part, because this is kind of heavy. This is my Vitamix blender right here. And then I'm going to have to take it back and put it at the station because I can't find a plug that an extension cord that goes all the way over here. But anyway, I'm making a smoothie for myself. And what I'm doing is really very simple. I'm going to put some jackfruit in here. This is the jackfruit. I have to stand up and do this, so forgive me, okay? Let me go get a fork. How's everybody doing today? I am doing fine. It's one of them peak cloud, rain, spit. Sun comes back and peaks and then goes back in again and the rain spits. It doesn't actually rain kind of day. So anyway. I'm putting some fruit in. I'm putting in some Pearl organic milk. It's actually organic soy, vanilla cream, or creamy vanilla. This back in the refrigerator. Okay, now I'm going to move over to there, to the station, my coffee station and my mix station, and I will be right there. But you'll hear the sounds. Glass up. This is kind of heavy. Well, I lifted my weights for today, didn't I? Now, the Vitamix can do away with a lot of your things. I had to give my blender, not my blender, my mixer, I had a KitchenAid mixer, but it was so heavy. It was an industrial mixer. I don't know why I got an industrial mixer, but I gave that to my granddaughter and her husband because I couldn't move it from where it was. Okay, so. So this is all mixed. So let's taste it. I know you can't taste it, but you can pretend. them exactly know what's going on in this town. We have a army base right across the water, and they have helicopters going over there, and I'm not understanding why, and nor do I actually care why. Something's happening, we will know. So let's taste this. Now this can do the same thing as a KitchenAid mixer. It can cut up vegetables. You can make soup in it. You can do a lot of things. And so that's why I bought it, because it was good for me. My only complaint is that it's heavy. But I have a station. My coffee was over on one side and that's on the other side. Let's taste this. I know what it tastes like, but it's good. It's creamy. Everything is beat out well. I'm having a late lunch. I was upstairs working. So I'm loving this. So, if you like this, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. I will see you later. I'm going to start to cook dinner. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.